That's the million-dollar question: who is going to be the next prime minister? I think anyone who tells you they know who the next prime minister is going to be is lying. It's incredibly unpredictable. I think actually the fundamental question, though, is how much does it matter who is the next prime minister and what will change? And in all likelihood, the answer is, at least from a market investor perspective, the impact of all this political noise is actually pretty limited.
Okay, how do we get to this situation? And it's interesting that you say it doesn't really matter who is Prime Minister. Why does it not matter who's the Prime Minister?
The reason for that is ultimately we're in a holding pattern until we can have general elections again. The only way out of, or one of the key ways out of this political mess, is for another round of general elections. And then after that, negotiations on who can be the next prime minister. And if those elections result in a party or a coalition having a clear majority, then there'll be more of a stable government. But whoever is appointed prime minister now is likely to be, like Muhyiddin is himself at the moment, a sort of caretaker prime minister until elections will take place. And even if we have some sort of form of national unity government, or some people are talking about a war cabinet to deal with the COVID situation, ultimately the short-term policy impact will be limited in terms of the policies will look broadly the same. The COVID response will continue as it is at the moment.